What is up, guys? We are back with another product unboxing. Okay, I kind of started unboxing it already. We have the sun. Okay, so in here we have of a light. This is a full spectrum 200 watt out of the wall ESCOM powered grow light, full spectrum, aiming at the 3500 Kelvin region. It's going to be great for plants. It's pretty much a metal halide or HPS in an LED. This thing's insane, out of control. Check it out. Like as soon as it enters. Oh my god! There we have it. As you can see, fully illuminated marijuana SA. We'll get a close up, but this is what you can expect from this light. It truly is a beast. I mean, this is just illuminating everything. It is unreal. Super low heat coming off it. Warm, but super low heat. See a little close up for you guys. This is what we're looking at. It is out of this world. High end. This is exactly what you need, guys. 3500 Kelvin, full spectrum, LED. That's chip on board right there. It's Bridgelux LEDs. Some of the best LEDs in the world. And yeah, super sturdy. It is about 3 kilos. It's got massive heat sinks in, so you're never going to have heat as a problem. This insane reflective orb on here. This is what the difference is. Like, this is solid perspex, and it's going to be giving you that spread that you desire.
Brought to you by the crazy fucks of
Marijuana.
Marijuana.
SA.
SA.